If you map the movement of the cosmos, almost everything out there is running away from us. The universe is expanding, pushing galaxies deeper into the void. But there is one anomaly, one massive, terrifying exception. There is a galaxy that is not moving away. It is tearing through the dark, heading straight for our throats. Its name is Andromeda. A monster holding 1 trillion stars. And every time you take a breath, that giant gets hundreds of miles closer. This is not a theory. This is not science fiction. It is an absolute mathematical certainty. This galactic collision is already written into the laws of gravity. Right now, a wall of light holding 1 trillion suns is hurtling towards us at 250,000 miles per hour. It is coming to tear our galaxy apart. Imagine standing on the surface of the Earth billions of years in the future. The night sky will no longer belong to quiet, distant stars. As time bleeds on, that faint smudge of light in the northern constellation will begin to grow. It will swell until its terrifying form dominates the entire horizon. You would see it with the naked eye, a colossal, glowing whirlpool of stars ripping through the darkness, covering half the sky. Looking so massive, so overwhelming, as if it wants to swallow our world alive. But inside that approaching wall of light, is there anyone looking back? Are there other worlds in there, waiting for the exact same apocalypse? For centuries, humanity could only guess, until we found something. In 1999, astronomers peering into the heart of Andromeda detected an anomaly, a micro-lensing event, a phenomenon bending the light of a background star caused by a massive object passing in front of it. That cosmic anomaly was named PA 99N2. The analysis of that bent light revealed a terrifying and beautiful truth. It was the signature of a planet. Not just any planet, a gas giant nearly 7 times more massive than Jupiter, orbiting a star inside the Andromeda galaxy, 2.5 million light-years from Earth. It was the first extragalactic planet candidate, the first world we ever detected outside our own Milky Way. That discovery proves one thing. Andromeda is not just an empty, beautiful cloud of dead light. Inside that approaching giant are trillions of solar systems, billions of rocky planets, and perhaps alien worlds that are already dead, or worlds that are right now looking up, watching our Milky Way grow larger in their sky. So, what happens when our time finally runs out? What happens when these two cosmic titans finally crash? About 4 billion years from now, the outer edges of Andromeda will breach the Milky Way. The cosmic dance of death begins. This collision is not like two solid objects smashing together. Space is so unfathomably vast that the chances of two stars physically colliding is practically zero. The true horror comes from gravity. As these two giant galaxies pass through each other, the gravitational pull of 1 trillion stars will trigger epic structural chaos. The spiral arms of the Milky Way will be violently torn apart. Brutal tidal forces will stretch and warp the architecture of our galaxy. Stars will be violently dragged from their ancient orbits. Billions of solar systems will be ejected entirely, thrown with unimaginable force into the eternal dark of intergalactic space, turning trillions of planets into rogue, orphan worlds, drifting without a star, slowly freezing in absolute silence. And at the center of this chaos, the two most terrifying entities will find each other. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way and the behemoth at the heart of Andromeda will begin to orbit one another. They will lock into a violent, inescapable dance, sending massive ripples through the fabric of space and time, releasing colossal gravitational waves, until finally they collide, merging into a single, absolute entity that swallows all light around it. Billions of years after the initial chaos, the gravitational storm will slowly fade. The Milky Way and Andromeda will no longer exist. Both beautiful spiral galaxies will be dead, and from the ashes of their destruction, a new galaxy will be born. A giant, featureless elliptical galaxy. A massive, glowing graveyard of stars, known as Milkomeda. If our sun hasn't already destroyed the Earth by then, the night sky of our planet will be completely unrecognizable. The silver band of the Milky Way will be gone. We will be trapped inside a blindingly bright, chaotic swarm of millions of stars, with no shape and no end. We are just temporary witnesses to a universe operating far beyond our comprehension. Cosmic time does not care about our history. Everything dies, and everything eventually merges. We will not be here to see the sky tear apart, but we are the only ones who know it is coming. Stare into the approaching abyss.